Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. In the previous class we have learned addition table, no children? Have you practiced it? Very good. Today we shall learn additions. The symbol for addition is plus. When we put things together, we add. When we add numbers, we get answer. That answer is called the sum. We have already learnt addition tables, no children? Now it is so easy to do additions. Let us see how. Let us learn additions by adding 0 to the given numbers. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. See children, we have already learnt in addition tables that if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Like the same, here also you see 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Let us add 1 to the given numbers. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. See children, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. We have already learned this in the addition table, no children. If we add 1 to any number, we get after number. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now let us learn adding things in doubles. Here there is a ball. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here 2 stars are there and here also 2 stars are there. That means 2 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Together 4. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. That means double of 3 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double of 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons are there. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That means double of 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. That means double of 6 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7. Double of 7 is 14. Adding things in doubles. Am I right children? Now you got an idea now? See, double of 1 is 2. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 3 is 6. Double of 4 is 8. Double of 5 is 10. Double of 6 is 12. Double of 7 is 14. Now let us learn adding one digit number. 2 plus 3. Draw 2 balls for 2 and here 3 balls. Count how many together, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Likewise, 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? Let us see. 3, 2, 3 plus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we get the same answer. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here, while adding, the order of the given numbers change, then also answer does not change, children. Here also 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here also 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That means if the order change, then also answer does not change. Let us add these numbers by using our fingers, children. Adding. Adding means counting forward. 4 plus 5. Now first number you put it in the mind and the next number you take out in your fingers. 4 you keep it in your mind and 5 you take out in your fingers. Let us start counting. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is the answer, children? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And next one. 7 plus 6. 7 you put it in the mind and 6 you take out in your fingers. Now take out your fingers, children. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Next, 8 plus 3. Now 8 you put it in the mind, children. Take 3 fingers in your hand. Now 8 after 9, 10 and 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now 4 plus 4. 4 you put it in the mind and 4 fingers you take out in your fingers. Now 4 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now 6 plus 9. 6 you put it in the mind and take out 9 fingers, children. 9 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Then 5 plus 7. Now 5 put it in the mind, children. Take out 7 fingers. Now see 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Now let us learn how to add 3 one-digit numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 3. Now see how to add, children. Here 2 is given. Put 2 dots and for 1 put 1 dot and for 3 put 3 dots. Now let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer, children? 6 is the answer. Let us learn one more example, children. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? Let us draw lines. Let us draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 3, 1, 2, 3. For 2, 1, 2. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer, children? 9 is the answer. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Likewise, we shall add one more sum, children. See here. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Let us draw lines here. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. For 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer, children? 9 is the answer. See here, children. Comparing to this sum, this is also same answer we have got it. See, observe the given numbers 4 plus 3 plus 2. Here 3, 2, 4. While adding, the order of the given numbers change also. The answer does not change, children. Have you understood, children? Let us revise some additions. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Likewise, 13 is equal to 7 plus 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Likewise, 6 is equal to 3 plus 3. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Likewise, 10 is equal to 6 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Like the same, 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Likewise, 11 is equal to 2 plus 9. Until now, we have learned additions by adding 0, 1 and 3 one-digit numbers, no children? Now, it's homework time. All of you take out your notebooks, children, and note down the given sums and do them. Okay, children, complete the given homework and let us meet in the next class. Thank you.